Good morning, everybody. So, moving toward the next module of the chapter number 9, Freedom Movement of 1857. So, till now you have seen, due to the harsh policies of the British East India Company and their exploiting policies, and due to the Enfield rifle, there was the revolt. Okay, and all the communities are dissatisfied with the British East India Company, and that resulted in the revolt of 1857. And Gujarat was also involved, or we can say it's also doesn't keep itself distant from this revolt. So Gujarat is also the part of this revolt. So in this module or in the today's session, we will discuss about the role of the Gujarat in the revolt of 1857. We know that the revolt of 1857 was broke out because of the oppressive and the exploitative method of the British trying to establish their rule in India. And there were the many reasons, political, social, economic, which aroused the feeling of nationalism among the people. Now, already you have seen, due to the cartridge require the greasing of the fat of the cow and the pig, there was a discontent among the Indian soldiers who were in the British army. So the revolt broke out there, and who is the first freedom fighter? Mangal Pandey. Now, the 7th Battalion of the British Army, which also includes the Indian soldiers, they broke out the revolt on June 1857 in Ahmedabad. Okay, the soldiers captured government offices with the helps of the natives, but soon they got defeated. Nayak Das of the Panchmahal, he also belonged to this region only. He continued this rebel almost for the year, and till July, this revolt spread in the various part of the Gujarat, that is Panchmahal, Godhra, Jhalod, Dahod. Okay. This revolt spread all over the Gujarat and then in the northern part of the Gujarat also. Now the Jiva Bhai Thakur of the Khanpur and the Garbad Patel, who had the headquarter in the Kheda district, and with the help of the 2000 people of the different communities, jointly began a revolt here. He was also accompanied with the Malaji Joshi, Krishna Das Dave, and this is how actually the revolt took a bigger angle, or the bigger outbreak was there in the Gujarat. Now, what actually British has done to fail this revolt? They have tied the supporters of the Garbad Das Patel to the cannon, and then they used to shoot them. Okay, there is also a Nathaji and Yamji of the village, Chandappa village, and this Chandappa village people took under the leadership of this both Nathaji and Yamji has also revolt against the British East India Company. Now, in the Nandan village, British had a camp. Okay, so and this Nandan village is between Okha Mandar and the Bharadi. Okay, so there was a commander-in-chief of the British East India Company, Donovan, who actually to fail this revolt, what he did, he moved toward the Bay of Bhet Dwarka, जिसको आज हम बेट द्वारका बोलते हैं. So he moved toward there, and he started confronting this revolt. Okay, on the 4th October. You can see here in the map also, Bhet Dwarka is here. Okay, so the Navy of the British East India Company has tried to fail this revolt. So they have confronted here, and there was a fort. In the Bhet Dwarka there was a fort. And what this commander-in-chief of the British East India Company has done, they started firing on the fort of the Bhet Dwarka. Okay, so the Vagar community inside the fort had no such artillery to counter an attack on the fort, because the Britishers had the cannons. So they used to do the heavy firing on the fort. Okay, in the same way they used to destabilize the revolt at the several places in the North India also. But what happened here is that the Wagher community women came up with a very brave and the innovative idea. They soaked the mattresses. Mattresses means जिसको हम गद्दे बोलते हैं ना, या कॉटन के जो गद्दे होते हैं, या they soaked them in the water, in which they used to catch the cannon balls and cool them immediately. And because of these, enable the Vanger man to fight the battle without being hit by the cannons. इस तरह से क्या होता है कि जो वैगर कम्युनिटी के मैन होते हैं, जो वाघेर कम्युनिटी के मैन होते हैं, उनको क्या होता है, कैनन से प्रोटेक्शन मिल जाता है. इट इज नॉट लाइक दैट कि सारे कैनन्स बॉल कूली हो जाते थे, उसका कोई इफेक्ट नहीं होता था फोर्ट पे, बट द इफेक्ट वाज वेरी लेस, and this helped the Wagher men to actually fight the battle against the British East India Company. Okay, so this is how the Wagher women very bravely disarmed the cannon balls and exhibited the excellent act of the valor. Now, because of this excellent bravery, this revolt in the Gujarat spread to the another part of the Gujarat, that is the northern part of the Gujarat, Kherul, Mudeti, Patan, Bhilori. So in July, this revolt of 1857 had spread all over the Gujarat, especially in the northern part of the Gujarat. Now, Tatya Tope, as we have seen that in the northern part, when the revolt broke out, as it was not a properly planned and the assembled revolt, so British has failed that revolt of the northern part of the India. So Tatya Tope has also came to the Gujarat. Tatya Tope has engaged British army in the many wars, and hence he was wanted by the Britishers. Okay, he was a man who actually fought the many battle against the British. In December 1858, Tatya Tope stayed with his army in the Panchmahal district of the Gujarat. As the Tatya Tope was a very brave soldier, and he always used to battle against the British, he always used to fought against the British from the various places. So due to this, the British soldiers were behind him. So because of this, what Tatya Tope has done, he has eloped in the deep forest of the Banswara. Okay, and till after 1 year also, after the till 1858 also, this revolt was alive only because of the Tatya Tope. Okay, but the regions where this revolt has failed and again recaptured by the British East India Company was Varanasi, Allahabad in June 1857. It was again under the British rule. Then Kanpur and Delhi. Delhi came under again in the British rule at the end of the September 1857. Altogether, if we see, then this revolt was a failure as the revolutionaries was unsuccessful in getting back the rule from the British East India Company. ये जो रिवोल्ट था वो फेलियर था, क्योंकि हम इन लोगों ने ब्रिटिश के अगेंस्ट रिवोल्ट किया, रिबेल किया, बट उस रीजन पे जो उनका पावर एक्वायर हो गया था ब्रिटिश ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी का, जो रेवोल्यूशन के बाद भी वापस ब्रिटिश ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी के हाथ में ही आ जाता है. सो दिस, बिकॉज ऑफ दिस रीजन, दिस रिवोल्ट वाज अनसक्सेसफुल. Now let's quickly see the topic which we have discussed in this module was the main reason which led to the 1857 war was the fat of the cows and pig that was in the cartridge of the Enfield rifle. The first revolt was planned against the East India Company rule was on the 5th May 1857. Then it began in the Ahmedabad of the Gujarat due to the rebel of the 7th Battalion of the Army in the June month. The revolt spread to the Panchmahal, Dahod, Jalod, Godhra and Chandappa. The common people spread the revolt in the areas of the Patan, Khelur, Bhilodi, Mudeti, etc. region of the North Gujarat. But by the end of the revolt, British again acquired Varanasi, Allahabad, Kanpur, Delhi, Lucknow. Okay. Now in the next module, we will discuss in detail that why this revolution get failed, okay, and what was its consequences also. So this is all. Goodbye to all of you.